Hey everybody, it's Cynthia Maynard and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a messy desk because I will show you why. A little project share. I picked up the Maggie Holmes Heritage Collection finally the other day with a coupon, and I also got the digital, so I've been crafting away. And I have to say, I like all her collections. I'm a big Maggie Holmes fan, but some of my favorite ones are sort of the older ones, and I've liked some of the newer ones, but this one, I'm telling you, really hit it out of the park. I think it's quickly coming to the top. It may have bypassed Flourish and Bloom. I'm not quite sure, but let me just show you some things. I made this with my scraps. A little quick tag there. So a little thing to do with your offcuts. Just make some tags with some of the ephemera. I also made one of these little treat pouches that I'm going to be putting in the store. And so cute. I printed on double-sided paper. And I used a Spellbinder's die, Smile, from one of the card kits. And made this cute little tree pouch that not anything new and groundbreaking. It's an old design, but whoa, very cute, and with the double-sided paper, and you can fit hot cocoa, coffee, tea, all sorts of things in here, candy, a tie, I don't know, whatever, all sorts of things. You could put crafty goodies in there and toss this into a loaded envelope. For that matter, you could glue two together and make like a little double-sided one. So anyway, I made that, and then I made a little journal flip book, and I tied it with this burlap twine, and I put a little pink bow on the edge of that. And I thought I'd just flip through that quickly. Let me zoom out just a little bit here. Whoop, wrong way. And we'll flip through that. Sorry, I'm a messy desk. I've not put my stuff away yet. I did pick up, I had a coupon at Joann, so I grabbed some of the ephemera bits there, and I had the stamp set and dies on the way. I don't always get the stamp set and dies, but I thought they would be really fun to get. Alright, so let's dive in here. So, like I said, I bound it on here. It measures 5 by 7, so that, I'll put my camera out here bit farther. There we go. Parfait. Okay, measures 5 by 7, so obviously 5 by 7. I used the bow paper, which is really cute. It's kind of bow themed. It's got bows throughout the collection. I made a little die cut of a little jar and put a bow on there, and used some of the Tim Holtz flowers and cut them out of gold and put them on there. So that's the cover. A little bit simple, but felt like it was really busy. So alright, you turn the page and you have this spread. So I have the paper on this side, and then I have, this is a die that you'll see a couple times from Fun Stamper's Journey, and it cuts out this fun little notebook paper, and I used one of the papers in the pack that looked like you could write on it, so this is a great journaling spot. I have this paper over here that is really pretty. It's like a soft peachy color. I put one of the tags up here, and I made a quick little, what do they call that, floss, the embroidery floss, a little bow there. And then another Spellbinder's die from a kit. I made this flower and then put one of the ephemera bits there. I popped that up on foam too, so it's got a little dimension. And this is available in the shop unless it's sold out. This paper here I actually made myself using some of the die cuts digitally, and I thought that was fun and went ahead and used that. I love the stamps in this collection. That's probably why it rises to the top there. It's got all the good things there, and I love the colors. This page, I love this stripe, and I went ahead and cut out one of the florals out of a stitched, it's kind of a little X's and things there, stitched flag die, or what do you call these, banners, and then one of the, I love this stamp, from the National Museum, 1683, and that was there. So lots of room to put photos. You could use washi tape to put in some journaling pages and things. Alright, next up here I made a pocket out of one of the papers, and I cut out some tags that people could use for journaling on the other side, or use with gifts. That pattern paper there, that's in the collection. I used some of the stamps and a little flower out of some tonic handmade paper. And then I love this paper here. I used a smaller die, smaller jar die with another bow there. I'll give you up close look of that. I love those colors. Very, very pretty. Next page is the sort of blues here. So again, on this side, we'll do this side first. You see that notebook paper again. And then I took a die that says amazing, and I die cut it out of some of the yellow paper. And then I was going to make a card, and I cut out 2 scalloped stitched circles, and it just didn't kind of work out. So I cut it in half, made a notch, and thought I'm going to make a little pocket. So inside the pocket, sideways pocket, I made a little banner, a little tag, I should say, out of scraps. Another little tag. Put some of the die cuts in here that people could use to further decorate. That swan. I stamped "You Are Loved." This stamp is actually from another collection, and it's a stitched die cut there. And then I made a little jar that was going to originally go on my front, but ended up not putting it on there. But it's got glitter, like a Wink of Stella type glitter on there that people could use to embellish pictures and things. You could tuck pictures in here, and again you can write on here. Next page is that pattern, sewing pattern paper, and I put one of the little ribbons first place, and then all the silhouettes. I love these. These are very, very pretty. And you could again add papers to that as well. And I'm missing a page. I was like, oh, this is the back page. This is the back. I was like, where'd it go? So this is the last spread. So again, another pocket here. You can see that here, so things can fit in here. This is one of the die cuts from the pack. I had an old Sizzix die. I actually have a video on this channel with making a little dress and purse from that set of dies, and it happened to have this silhouette and frame in here, and since it just went really, really well with this whole theme, I thought, oh, I want to go ahead and cut that out. I really like how that turned out. So pretty. And then I put a sticker on there that says "Beautiful Day." And then this is some Spellbinders dies. On the last page, I just kind of made a flourishy black and blue sort of fun thing there with some Nuvo drops in the middle. And then you could add stuff to there, but very elegant sort of page there. And then there's the back. So that is available in the shop, as well as these will be soon. I don't know if I don't have it up as of the time of filming this anyway, but it may be up there now when you're watching this. But anyways, hope you enjoy that. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a great day.